Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install the ChatGPT for Google Chrome extension to your web browser, so you also gonna be able to get ChatGPT responses next to your Google search results. So as you can see in this example, I have asked Google what is affiliate marketing, and next to the regular Google search results you can see this ChatGPT sidebar here, and ChatGPT will also reply to us in Google search as well. And if you want to use this feature, you have to install this Chrome extension called ChatGPT for Google. I will also link it in the description below, and then you're gonna be able to just open this Chrome extension in your web browser, then click on Add to Chrome or to Microsoft Edge, because it also works in not just in Google Chrome but in Microsoft Edge, Brave, or any kind of Chromium based web browser. And once you add it to your web browser, all you have to do is open up a Google search, so as you can see, and then ask Google anything. So let's say we ask Google what are the best high-ticket affiliate programs. So as you can see, we're gonna get the search results with ads, which are really annoying, and we have to check out all of these pages. But besides that, we also gonna get the ChatGPT response here. So as you can see, ChatGPT will answer there are many high-ticket affiliate programs available: ClickFunnels, Bluehost, HubSpot. So Amazon Associates, it's not really high ticket. So as you can see, it's still not perfect, but if you want to use ChatGPT in Google search as well, this is how to install and use this ChatGPT for Google Chrome extension.